आपको कभी ऐसा लगा है कि आप फेल हो गए हैं? Or when something didn't work out for you, have you ever felt in life that you have failed? Well, sometimes I too felt so. But is it really a failure? As a child, when we were learning how to walk, we fell down once, we tried again. We fell down twice, we tried again. We fell down 10 times, but we still got up and tried again until we learned how to walk. हमने तब तक कोशिश करी जब तक हमने फाइनली चलना नहीं सीख लिया. After falling every time, we didn't think we had failed. Our parents didn't think we had failed. उन्हें ये नहीं लगा कि ये बच्चा कभी चल नहीं पाएगा. Because every time we fell, we learned something new. But with life sometimes, just with one trial, we think we have failed. एक बिजनेस नहीं चला या एक पेपर में पास नहीं हुए और one relationship didn't work out and we think we have failed in life. But it is not a failure till you keep trying. जब तक आप ट्राई कर रहे हैं, every time you don't succeed, you will learn. And when the next time you try, you will be more experienced and wise. Till the time you don't stop trying, everything is a part of the process. But sometimes we want faster results and we are very quick to judge ourselves. हम दूसरों के रिजल्ट्स को देखकर अपने आप को फेलियर समझने लगते हैं. But it is not a failure unless you call it so. And you can only call it so when you quit. क्योंकि जब तक आप एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, आपका रिजल्ट कैसे आ सकता है? आपका रिजल्ट सिर्फ तभी आएगा जब एग्जाम पूरा हो जाएगा या आप उसे छोड़ देंगे. Life is an exam, but it is very different from an ordinary exam because there is no definite time limit to do anything. हमारे लिए कौन सा टाइम सही है क्या करने के लिए, ये हमारे अलावा कोई नहीं डिसाइड कर सकता. We've heard that every master was once a beginner, but there is no definition about when he was a beginner and for how long. So whatever you wanted to do, this is the time to act. You want to start a business? Take the first step. You want to follow a diet? Start today. Or if you want to start exercising, then don't delay. क्योंकि कल करेंगे बोल के हम आज का कीमती वक्त ज़ाया करेंगे. And castles aren't built overnight. Every brick counts. Keep trying till you succeed. Either you will win or you will learn. या आप जीतोगे या आप सीखोगे. Decide today and do it. Because if you don't decide what you have to do with your life, then someone else will.